Hey there, YouTubers. Gonna be working on my buddy's 1998 Ford F-150 5.4. We gotta replace the shift cable. Now you can get this shift cable aftermarket. However, I found where it's supposed to connect under the dash, this little clip, is incorrect. So it's always better to go right to Ford. This is about the same amount of money as you would get from O'Reilly's or Advance. It's probably within a couple of dollars, but this is the part number you're going to need, and we're going to show you how to replace it. Alright guys, so your first step, you're going to take this panel down. Get a couple of, I believe they're 8mm, maybe 6mm bolts. This whole thing is going to come down. Alright, you're going to disconnect the shifter right here, right at the pivot, at the top of the column. And then you're going to disconnect where it mounts. Got the inside disconnected. You're going to take and push up on this clip. And once you're done with that, you're going to unclip it here. And then you're going to pull up from out underneath the carpet in the truck. Put your new one down through. Alright, now that you're all back together, should be shifting.